guys, Miss P here. I just wanted to share a cool resource, a kind of fun virtual field trip that we could be going on. We're going to check out the live cams that the San Diego Zoo has up for us to see. So from your phone or laptop, go ahead and open up whatever internet browser you use, and you'll go to sandiegozoo.org, sandiegozoo.org. Click enter. It'll take you to the home page. And if you scroll down here over to animals and plants, you can see videos that they have produced over the years, but we're gonna check out the live cams today. It'll take you here to live cams. You'll keep scrolling down and you can see the different animals that they have available. Some of them are live cams and some of them are recorded footage, but for live, second to second, see what the penguins are doing right now, just go ahead and click that watch live cam link. You'll scroll down again, and after a few seconds of loading, we'll get the video. It looks like it might be meal time. They might be getting some fish here. Oh yeah, there they go. And we've got some tiger sharks, I believe, down here. If you scroll down past the video, leopard sharks, pardon me. And that'll give you some more information about the habitat and the animals there. So if you want to check out a different animal, you can click the back button. We've got polar bears. Let's see what the apes are up to. They've got their jungle gym going. He's flying through like Spider-Man. Look at him go. So kind of, if you want to check out the more active animals, they're probably more likely to be up to something. But at different parts of the day, go ahead and give it a little go. See what you can see on this neat virtual field trip. So I'll put the link in the video description, and hope you guys have fun on this virtual field trip to the San Diego Zoo. All right, happy learning.